Guys, we are ready for tip number 3. And what we're going to talk about is eyewear. You know, eyewear is something that if you look into fashion magazines, really you'll start to notice everybody has eyewear on, whether they need glasses or not. That's not what eyewear is always for. I'm going to go ahead and pass the ball to Dennis, let him elaborate, and we'll get into this discussion about why you need to think about picking up some eyewear for yourself.
Alright guys, eyewear. Let's talk about it. It is no longer something that you only use for reading or driving at night. Now eyewear is fashion purposes. It's an extension. It's another accessory pretty much. Me, I have about 3 to 4 eyewears that I go back and forth with. I have one here on me and then this one here. So eyewear has become kind of like, you know, ties, interchangeable. I love what they do to an outfit. They give it an extra little look, you know, like vintage, like you're a man in charge, like you're a man that means business. Now, you could have any type of eyewear you want. You could have more of a round, you know, frame, square frame, whatever is your preference. But the best part about eyewear, guys, is it's gonna sharpen your look 100%.
Yeah, I love what you're saying about eyewear. You know, when a guy has on the right pair of glasses and he walks into the room, he really can command attention. You know, if it's a business setting, maybe you want more of a conservative look, but if you're going out, you can get some real funky eyewear and have some fun with it. You know, you can go bright colors, you can go some that are clear, and we haven't even begun to talk about sunglasses and shades, things like that. But Dennis is right. Every gentleman should have a couple pair of glasses that they can interchange with their outfit, depending on the setting. You know, I myself, I need eyewear to read, to drive, to see distances, things like that. So it's essential, but that doesn't mean the eyewear can't be stylish. When you go to the optometrist, they have so many different options for you. So not only is it functional, but it's also making a fashion statement. And all the big brands that are in the fashion magazines, they have their own label. So if you have a favorite brand, maybe you're a polo guy, you can get polo glasses. I have a pair of Versace glasses and it suits my personality. I like a little bit of tortoise shell with mine. And the thing about glasses that we really want to stress is that even if you don't need them, you can get them with a clear lens. So if you have 20/20 vision, that's great. But the glasses really are, just like Dennis said, an extension of your outfit to make your outfit pop.
Now for myself, I am rocking Eyewear eyeglasses. I have actually 2 pairs here. Reason why I like them is that, first of all, they have a lot of options. They do customize your frames very well. So they'll make your lens a little bit thinner than actually that you want, because you don't want a thick lens to begin with. So they deliver that to your house. Everything is perfect. It's a top brand. It has tons of celebrities that are actually, wearing the same frames that we do. So that's the best part about it.
Yeah, Eyewear is great. We had a chance to talk about them on our podcast, and I had a chance to get a pair of glasses from Eyewear, courtesy of Dennis here, and it's become one of my favorite pair to wear. In fact, let's go ahead and talk about sunglasses a little bit right now and why you think they're so great.
Well, eyewear, it's not just, eyeglasses. It's also sunglasses. Now, sunglasses, it's not just to keep your eyes, protect your eyes from the sun. It's used for styling purposes too. Meaning you could wear it out when you're, out having, lunch, brunch with the guys. Just to have a cool vibe, just wear a nice little pair of name brand sunglasses. It just gives you that nice relaxed look. What do you think?
I think you're absolutely right. And the thing that you mentioned that I like is you want to make sure it's name brand. A lot of times people say it doesn't matter how much things cost and things like that, but it does matter when it comes to sunglasses, because the sunglasses, they protect our eyes from the sun. So it serves a function as well as being stylish. And you want to make sure that you don't just run into a 7-Eleven or a convenience store and grab a pair of $5 sunglasses or some knockoff kiosk at the mall. Those are not going to work as effectively as a real, actual, authentic pair of sunglasses. So you want to make sure that you're getting the real thing. And remember, it's an investment. It may cost you a little bit more than what you're used to, but I assure you, those sunglasses are going to last a lot longer than what you're used to.
Exactly. Forget about the $20 sunglasses you're gonna get at a kiosk in the mall. It's time for you to invest in name brand sunglasses. Trust me, the lens is different. It's heavier. You ever notice when you grab one of the sunglasses from 7-Eleven, very lightweight. You go to the name brand, a little heavier, meaning they sit better on your face and look better because the lens doesn't get scratched, doesn't get fogged up, or fingerprints on it. So you could tell sunglasses quality from a mile away. So,
yeah, that's a great point. You really can. And the thing about sunglasses too, if you go with a timeless style, maybe like an aviator, that's going to last for so long. You can have those glasses for 20 years. Think about it. How long have people been wearing aviators? I mean, you can see guys wearing them in World War II, and they're still fashionable today.
Exactly, man. Anything from that time frame is good to go with me for now. So guys, pretty much, man, eyewear is very important, whether it's sunglasses or just subscription glasses. It is a must in every gentleman's wardrobe.
I think we're ready to move on to point number 4.
Let's go.